Jesus God! There's bloody alarms everywhere!
Listen to this one.
Alright.
I don't know how to stop it, mind. I'll have to put the light on.
Alright.
Do you want to go out, Jet?
Do you want to go out? Right, here we go.
Wait a minute, Jet.
I got
Are you right?
small right video.
Yeah, go on.
Here we go. Jesus God!
Yes, stick that back in.
Oh, freaking God!
Oh.
That bloody air loss!
Oh.
God!
Oh.
God!
What about that?
That was loud.
Oh.
God damn! God! I tell you what, that was the loudest thing I ever heard.
I would hear that if anybody was coming through there, like.
And
Definitely hear you.
well, who's going to come through this back with free anyway? There's no way to get through.
Like, I don't know. If they want to be in, they'll get in. James, won't they?
Yeah, well, you could either come through. Well, it could come through here, through the front, through there. It might go out the back way and steal
I've
the
got all the place rigged up, man. It's like Fort Knox.
Fort Knox, like 007.
Yes.
I know that. I've been watching that last week. Goldfinger, like on the game, PS3 game.
Alright, yeah.
Been playing that. Was well playing it, watching it on YouTube. Quite good.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Brilliant.
Right, guys, subscribe for more. I do not know.